Thank you for that indulgence, Speaker. The CS Chirchir knows that I have a lot of respect for him, but that answer that he has given today has fallen short in two material respects. The people of Nairobi are telling me, Honorable CS, that it is not the lack of flowers on Mombasa Road that is causing them to sleep on the road. It is the flooding. So please, before you address issues of beautification and streetlights, we want a solid plan on how to drain water on Mombasa Road. And secondly, Honorable Speaker, he has not addressed himself to the question of the 9 billion that had already been given to the previous contractor, who we were told, Speaker, is a company associated with one member of parliament here. We want to be told he was given a tender to repair the damage that was done. Honorable Speaker, the damage that was done during construction of the expressway, there was money that was allocated for that, and it has not been done. So he has not addressed that, and he needs to prioritize drainage over flowers.
Senator Sifuna, you know, once the CS gives commitment, like he said, within 4 months you will see those developments done. He didn't say 4 months. He said so. You know, that is why I'm here to listen to all the details. You have a commitment between 4 to 6 months, the road will be done, good drainage, beautification, and all those things. He committed himself to do that. And the Secretariat have captured that commitment. So after 4 months, we will be able to raise. Like here, there are commitments for July, which I'll be asking before he leaves, what happened to those commitments. So I want to close this matter now.